Alright, so quick tutorial how to install or remove SSD into your laptop. You need one screwdriver. As you can see, I already installed two SSDs. Alright, so I just need to screw this screw like that, and I have it. As you can see, this SSD pop out. Alright, if I grab like this, I can't remove it easily. Okay, and installation procedure also the same. Just keep an eye on this plastic and put it like this and put it a little bit down. Right, and you just need to screw up the screw again, and that's it. You have a new SSD into your computer. Thank you for watching.